All right. What a crazy day. I didn't have internet for the past 2 days, and today, in order for me to trade, I had to connect my phone's mobile hotspot to my computer. I don't have service in this area, and it was really difficult. It was really laggy, and it was probably not wise for me to trade. Two things happened. Number one, I almost got funded. Number two, I almost blew my account. We're going to go through how that happened and what happened. If you watched my previous video from last week on Friday, we saw this candle here and we saw this wick into this area, and I said, hey, price has rebalanced. And in my opinion, we are going to go up into this inefficiency, this fair value gap, where there is a breaker, and I believe that price is headed this way. And today, January 8th, that's what price did. We didn't go into the 50% level of this fair value gap, but I do believe that we are still bullish. When we drill down into the 1 hour candle, at 4 a.m., it wicked back down into this area. Fair value gap didn't hold, but I was still bullish. When I woke up and when I looked at the charts, I said, okay, we are headed up into this inefficiency, into this fair value gap, this daily fair value gap. So that was my bias. I was bullish, and I was going to take trades all the way up into this area. When I looked at the 15-minute chart, there were a few things that caught my eye. There was this Friday New York AM high. I'm going to draw that out. There was this relative equal highs and lows. And there were all of these pools of liquidity that I saw, and I was going to target all of them. Relative equal highs here. And then we also had previous days highs. This was previous day's high right here. So my initial target was to take out previous day highs, and I was going to be done. I almost got funded because I took this trade up from 9:30 open all the way up to here, and I took some more here, I took some more here, and I took some more here. But I almost blew my account as well. The reason why is because I was impatient. I saw this price action here, and I kept on wanting to long. My 150K account, I lost $3,000. And when that happens, Top Step locks your account for the entire day. So what I ended up doing was I ended up purchasing two 50K evaluations from Top Step, which was $49 each, and I traded some of this movement up here. In total, across three accounts, one 150K, 150K, another 50K. Today, in total, I had a whopping return of $50.38. I am not mad at that. What I am mad at is the amount of trades I took. 94 trades total. And what I am mad at is this. I lost $3,000 on this account. This basically puts my month at being $698 up in the green. I almost wiped out my entire weeks of trade last week, right? 3 days of trades lost in one. I didn't manage my risk. I did 2 contracts, 5 contracts, trying to win back what I had lost because I was up 500 already, and I wanted to win that back quick and then just, call it quits. Not a good idea. If you are down in a position, do not pyramid in. Let that trade close out or close that trade early to minimize your loss. Never add on to a new losing trade. Another point is that you always use the same amount that you risk in each position. Never, ever, ever increase your risk size to try to win back what you lost. Number 3, don't enter reckless positions. Look for the trades to come to you, the perfect trade setup to come to you. This 150K account, I did 1.5K. In the 50K account eval, you need to do $3,000. So if I did another $1,500 tomorrow, then this account will be funded. Same as this 50K account. I did 1.5K. So in total with those two accounts, I did 3K. So what am I expecting tomorrow? I'm not too sure. I'm going to see what this fair value gap does here on this 1 hour chart. I'm going to draw that in right here. This 1 hour fair value gap, which overlaps this daily fair value gap. I'm going to see what price does here. Tomorrow when I wake up, I'm actually expecting price to have rebalanced this area and then head back up. If I see price close above this fair value gap, then I'm going to be bullish up into this previous week's high where there is relative equal highs here.